name is Linda and I'm a vet working with Pooch and Mutt. Today's video is all about supplements that we can offer our dog and why we might want to do that. I've just finished my afternoon consults actually, and I got asked about supplements I think 3 or 4 times. So it's certainly an area where pet owners, want to be more informed and want to know how to best help their dogs. I'm just featuring kind of 2 of our most popular products. So that would be our joint care and the daily care supplements, and then our Bionicbiotic Powder. When it comes to supplements, I think it's important to say that things like multivitamins generally aren't needed by healthy dogs because they should be getting all of those from their diet. However, when it comes to things like supplements, we can kind of give them the edge and help them if they have certain medical conditions and maybe would benefit from some additional nutrients. So let's take a look at our Bionicbiotic Powder. Depending on the size of the dog, you'll be given between 1 and 4 teaspoons a day, and this is a bit of an all-rounder product, so it can benefit skin and coat as well as gastrointestinal health, also the immunity of the dog and their respiratory system. When it comes to skin and coat, it contains fish oils and biotin, and these help create a healthy skin barrier. And what this does is it locks moisture inside, so the skin's not getting dry and flaky and uncomfortable, but it also creates this barrier so that things like allergens can't get into the skin. And that's really important for dogs with itchy skin. And certainly today during my consults, I saw a few of those, and that's certainly not an uncommon problem, unfortunately. And then another really common issue, of course, is gastrointestinal issues, bloating, diarrhea, vomiting. And so the Bionicbiotic Powder is enriched with prebiotics and probiotics. Prebiotics are the food for the good bacteria in the dog's gut, and probiotics are the good bacteria. Studies have actually shown that giving these can reduce the amount of time a dog is suffering from a bout of diarrhea. And so it's certainly something I give very often in my clinic. And similarly, we would give probiotics sometimes alongside a course of antibiotics just to help maintain that healthy gut microbiome. And then if we look at our daily care supplements, the joint supplements, these are great for a range of dogs. And so this would include dogs who have established joint disease, so dogs who already have arthritis or hip dysplasia or spondylosis, but also dogs that are maybe prone to these issues. And this would include certain purebreds, and for example, we know that German Shepherds and Labradors and Spaniels can be prone to joint disease alongside a lot of other pedigrees and non-pedigree dogs. And those who are obese will also be prone to joint disease because, of course, there's a lot more pressure on their joints. And so it's rich in ingredients like glucosamine and chondroitin sulfate, and these are the building blocks for the cartilage. And the cartilage helps to maintain, joint mobility and nice fluid and comfortable joints. It protects the joints. It's a shock absorber. And so we certainly want to help our dogs have plenty of this in their diet. And as well as that, it's rich in vitamin C, and this is an antioxidant that reduces inflammation. Joint supplements play some role in pain relief, and studies have shown that those dogs on joint supplements can have better joint mobility and a reduced pain score. I think it's important to say a lot of dogs with established pain in their joints often also need things like pain relief, so certainly worth talking to your vet about that. And that's the same, with all supplements. We want to tailor it to the individual and what they specifically need. So always worth having a chat with your vet. You can email us here at Pooch and Mutt, and we'll be happy to talk through the supplements that may benefit your dog.